In Panopticon 2020 and above, you edit data sources, dashboards, and workbooks directly within the browser window. You no longer have to go through a publish step to make your edited workbooks available. Here we have a dashboard with 3 visualizations, a timeline, and a filter. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to go into Edit mode. Let's make the line graph smaller and make the time series surface graph below it bigger. Let's change the color palette for the time series surface graph. Click the View button in the upper right corner and our edited dashboard is live.